This tiny coin once bought bread. Today it tells the story of a nation. Year, 1950. Germany was destroyed, cities in ruins, people had nothing. And then came this coin. 10 Pfennig. Look at the front. No king, no dictator. Just words. Bundesrepublik Deutschland, and an oak leaf. The oak leaf meant strength, patience, and survival. 10 Pfennig. Simple, honest, real. This coin paid for bread, milk, tram rides, and hope. Today, some of these coins sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Because history isn't always gold, sometimes it's just copper, with a powerful story. Would you keep this coin or sell it? Would you keep this coin or sell it? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we reveal the hidden stories behind rare coins that you won't find anywhere else. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Today, we explore 10 Pfennig coin, a story that rose from ruins. In 1950, Germany was not just rebuilding cities, it was rebuilding its identity. From the ruins of World War II, a small copper-colored coin emerged, quietly carrying the weight of a broken nation's hope. That coin was 10 Pfennig, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, 1950. It was small in size, low in value, but enormous in meaning. This coin was not made to impress collectors. It was made to restore trust, stabilize an economy, and prove that Germany could rise again. After World War II, Germany was divided. In 1949, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany, was officially formed. The old Reichsmark had lost all value, and inflation had destroyed public confidence. People needed a stable currency they could trust again. That is why the Deutsche Mark was introduced, and with it, fractional coins like the 10 Pfennig were minted for everyday use. The 1950 10 Pfennig coin was issued by the Federal Republic of Germany and minted in multiple German state mints, identified by mint marks such as D, Munich, F, Stuttgart, G, Karlsruhe, J, Hamburg. Each mint contributed to rebuilding the economy by producing millions of these coins for circulation. On the front side, the coin proudly displays the inscription Bundesrepublik Deutschland. At the center is the German oak leaf, a powerful national symbol. The oak represents strength, endurance, and resilience, qualities Germany desperately needed after the war. This was a deliberate choice. Instead of leaders or monuments, Germany chose nature and values, sending a message. We are rebuilding on principles, not power. The backside shows the value, 10 Pfennig, the year 1950, clean, simple typography. This simplicity reflected the philosophy of the new Germany. No propaganda, no aggression, only function, honesty, and clarity. This coin was meant for bread, milk, and daily survival, not for show. Metal, copper-plated steel diameter, approximately 21.5 millimeters. Weight, approximately 3.8 grams, durable, cheap, and practical. Perfect for a rebuilding economy. In 1950, the 10 Pfennig coin was not a collector's dream. It was a lifeline. German families used it every day. Children carried it to buy bread rolls, workers used it for trams, and mothers counted these coins carefully while managing scarce household budgets. This coin passed through millions of hands, absorbing the silent stories of hunger, recovery, and resilience. During the Cold War, West Germany needed to show stability to the world. While East Germany issued socialist imagery, the 1950 10 Pfennig stood for neutrality, democracy, and economic discipline. No portraits, no slogans, just value. This silent message told the world, we choose peace, order, and rebuilding. Millions of these coins were produced, which is why they are still found today in old collections, drawers, and flea markets. However, not all are equal. Coins from certain mints and in uncirculated condition are extremely desirable. The value depends on three major factors: mint mark, some mints produced fewer coins; condition, mint state, MS, coins are rare; errors, misprints, off-center strikes. A normal coin, $100 to $500. Excellent condition, $500 to $200,000. Rare error coin, $5 million. Plus. In international auctions, graded 1950-10, Pfennig coins have appeared in European and American sales. Some collectors pay high prices not for rarity, but for history. This coin represents Germany's rebirth economic discipline. Post-war humility collectors respect this coin not because it is gold or silver, but because it symbolizes discipline over destruction. It is proof that small things can rebuild great nations. The 1950-10 Pfennig of Bundesrepublik Deutschland is more than a coin. It is a survivor. It is a teacher. It is history you can hold in your hand.